everyone. Welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Let's we discuss about SAP ABAP question and answers. Differentiate between transparent and poll tables. Transparent table. It has one-to-one relation with database table. Poll table. It has many-to-one relationship with the database table. It contains only a single table. It contains a large number of small tables. Store master data. Stores customizing data or system data. A secondary index can be created. A secondary index cannot be created. Can A assist using Open a native SQL? Can be accessed only using Open SQL. The database table will have the same name, the same number of fields, and the same field's name. The database table will have a different name, different number of fields, and different field names. Thank you.